There it is. Transavia. Another one. In interval of 15-minute gap, we've received 4 aircraft. That's a Boeing 737 as well. So that's the third one. Transavia. There it is. That's obviously 737-800 NG. Yes. The winglets and everything. That's a 737-800 and NG. There it is. You can see it yourself. That is obviously 737-800 NG, operated by Transavia. There it is. It's going towards the parking bays on left hand side. Transavia. Another one coming to land. Let's see which company is this. Which airline is that? I'm under impression that is a Transavia. Yeah, exactly. I can see the green and white. Green and white over there. You can see it yourself, guys. Transavia 737. I can see from far away exactly the winglet. 737-800 NG. There it is. Come to land. Touchdown safely and roaring. There it is. 737-800 NG. There it is. Wonderful landing. Beautiful. There it is. You can see it yourself, guys. Another 737. 737-800. 737-800 NG. There it is. There. So they are 4 of them in a matter of 20 minutes. It's gone. Wow, there it is. 737-800 NG. Big operators of these aircraft, Airbus and Boeing aircraft.